Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make Rocky Road. First of all, you need some macadamias, Maltese, peanuts, hazelnuts, pistachio, marshmallows, melted dark chocolate. First, add macadamias to your bowl. That's all mixed in. Add it to your tray. Now it's all added into the pan. It's time for some decorations on top. Now that the Rocky Road is done, it's time to cut and taste it. And that is it for how to make Rocky Road. Thank you guys for watching.